Hi everyone, this is Trendsetters Academy. So if you really want to learn more things about Trendsetters or how their developers are developing the applications and how they're creating some sort of web applications or server side coding, everything about the development. So for this you must click on the subscribe button for this. I hope so. Let's come back to the lecture. Hi everyone, I'm Mohanlal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So today in this lecture, I will tell you, are you seeing some sort of stunning light? Wow, that's pretty so awesome. These are so cool lights here. So do you really want to know how these lights are blinking? And these are called the notification lights. So you must know about the thing how many types of notification lights are there and how you can enable these notification lights. So what really the code behind this notification light is. So today here I will tell you about this awesome thing. And did you know what really the awesome amazing thing here is? It's about a few, almost 5 to 6 lines of code there, which shows these notification lights, and there are whatever the colors you want. You can change it. You can change in any sort of color, like you can change it in blue, you can change it in white, you can change it in red, or it might be in dark pure white light. Oh, that's really amazing. That's really so cool. What really you want to change the light, it's up to you. So now we will start the code here and just open the Android Studio and let's start the code. So I created a simple application here, and in this application what I will do here is I just create an activity here about notification flash. So I'm showing you here, this is my activity here, and I'm saying there is my notification flashlight button here, and when I click on this button, this method will invoke notification light. So my notification light button is in this activity notification flash. Okay, so here I created a notification flash activity here, and in this activity what I'm saying here is there's a notification which is getting request, and what it do, it show a small icon with a title like testing light. Okay, so we set the priority as a high. This is the high priority, and set ongoing. This means it is ongoing process that if you want to stop it, it will not stop, and even you can erase it. It will never it will, like, it has no effect on your code. Like if you erase it, things going fine. Okay, so don't worry about this thing. So here is the thing here, what it happened is you are saying there is a builder here, and to set the lights, the color of the light is yellow. So you can change any sort of color what you really need, what you really like. Okay, so here I can set it red, or I can set it in gray. Okay, so what really you like, it's up to you. I set it green. These are the times here, how much time it blink, like the speed of blinking is. Okay, so you can change these both the values, and what it happens, the blinking might be slow, or what really the time between the blinking. Okay, so you can change this thing here. So there is a notification manager, and what it say, there's a manager, and you are getting the request, and you are saying okay, this is the notification service, and you are saying okay, now start. So now here you are starting this notification, and this is all about simply notification light. I'm sure you like this thing. This is the notification light, and you are enjoying this thing. I'm sure about this thing. So now what you'll do is just go on and create this, and here is the code, just 4 to 5 lines of code. So I hope for the best. Don't forget to subscribe. This is purely short video, and I'm sure you just enjoy this thing. So be with me and watch my previous videos for awesome simple code. There you are seeing there are a lot of code about this thing. I already searched about these things. There are some billion of codes available there about mostly 100 lines of code just blinking a single light. Yeah, that's pretty so cool, but the thing is, just try to follow the simplest way. Okay, so I hope for the better things next time. Be with me. Thank you. Bye bye. Goodbye. Nice coding. Okay, so cool. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Okay.